is. Hey guys! I've decided to go in a different direction with my unboxings, and that is to do them ASMR style. And we're gonna be trying it out on the new Nintendo Switch. The new Nintendo Switch Oled model. And later on, the Metroid Dread Special Edition. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be slightly aroused in total serenity. First, let's take a look at this box. Unlike the old Switch box, this one's now completely vertigo. I'll be honest, I got these gloves out of a dumpster and I have no idea what this substance is. Let's keep staying calm and continue. I'm only used to unboxing the horizontal Switch box, so I have no idea how to open this one. Let the flame slowly soak into the paper. Listen to that sizzling and crackling, and imagine yourself nice and warm in front of a big fire. Okay, we are gonna have to try something else. It's like slicing through butter, so smooth and creamy. But apparently, this butter is frozen, so you have to resort to heating up the knife a tad bit to get it to melt. Here's a knife with a bit more heat. Imagine you have your enemy begging at your knees! Oh my god, I don't know what came over me. I guess I have to go to therapy a little bit more. But let's finish this first. Now that we figured out the packaging situation, we can gently remove the OLED switch, like taking a newborn baby out of its crib. Then we carefully pluck these Joy-Cons out like baby bird eggs from the nest. Just like a boat slicing through the waves, let's let our blade slice through this plastic sea to set free the beauty that is the OLED switch. You can practically hear the boat skimming across the ocean. And for these eggs, imagine it's breakfast time. You turn on the stove and it springs to life. The only thing you can hear now is the gentle sounds of the eggs sizzling and crackling from the heat. Your stomach rumbles, and you just can't wait to... Stupid thing, it can go burn in hell. We are going to slide these aside first, and peel back more layers of this onion to see what other calming and relaxing sounds I can make. Ooh, yes. This is perfect. Imagine you're out in the garden and you notice your flowers are ready to harvest. Snip, 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 snip. Or maybe you were just born in a family that believes in circumcision. Snip, snip. Don't those sounds remind you of good times? This is almost too easy. Here's one sound that almost nobody can resist. I call it making protective plastic worthless, so more trash goes into the landfill. I quite enjoy that sound myself. I'm sorry, I just wanted to get the most out of that sound. Ah, who am I kidding? Your ears must be happy for getting the privilege to hear that. Will the same irresistible sounds happen with this type of protective plastic too? Nope. Unsatisfying plastic on the outside and on the inside too. Huh, maybe I was wrong. After some unwrapping, we have the new Switch OLED dock. Aw man, it's broken. They really need to add more protective material so that doesn't happen during shipping. Moving back to the main event, here's a sound that gamers can't get enough of. Now here's a sound gamers would never hear in their lifetime. I've actually never heard this sound either. I wonder what would happen if I move it around in there. That's not a good sound. Now I know what not to do if the opportunity ever comes up. Let's finally boot her up. Some of you may enjoy hearing that, but I'm a purist and those sounds aren't natural. These are the sounds you should be feeding your eardrums. Music to my ears. None of that artificial crap. Moving on, the Switch OLED's main feature is the OLED screen that stretches from corner to corner to corner to corner. Surprise! I know how many people can't function without hearing nails on a chalkboard at least once a day. Now that we have it all set up, let's pop in a game and play it. We want to carefully slice Ryan open. Alright, is that too far? I know that the new Switch OLED says it has enhanced speakers, but it can't fix this god-awful music. I gotta do something to save this ASMR video. Perfect. Now, no matter what volume it's at, you'll only hear natural sounds coming out of it from now on. I don't blame you if you want to fall asleep to this gameplay.
I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. I cut myself, but that's not gonna stop me. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. What have I done? I really wanted to change for the better and provide you guys with a relaxing and calming unboxing experience. I guess I'll change. So let's unbox Metroid Dread now! Whoa! Art cards! Don't like that one. Don't like that one. Whoa! A book! Ew! Reading! Don't like that one. Don't like that one. The steel book! Is it actually steel? Let's see if we'll attract this metal pickaxe. Yep, it's steel. Now let's play the game. So this is what happens when I try to be myself. I hate myself. Don't like that one. And don't like that one.
I guess the least that I can do for the people who wanted an actual ASMR video is to give them a fitting outro. Ahem. And so with that...
Oh, please tell me it's not broken. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Now!